What happened to this man? And what's the connection to this building? People start gathering, all eyes fixed on this one building. But why? What's really going on here? A massive earthquake just struck the area. Tall buildings were shaking, including this one that was still under construction. Then, the unthinkable happened. The building collapsed completely, flattened to the ground. We can only hope that every worker on site is safe. Do you know which country this disaster happened in? Share your thoughts in the comments.